Nope.
Come here, Hammy. Come here. You are a genius, my boy. Oh, thank you. And Vern, don't you ever fix this shell.
Yeah, glad it's working for you. Take it off.